In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snipping Tool not working in Windows 11. If your Snipping Tool isn't working in Windows 11, here are some steps you can try to fix it. The first thing that you can do is to update Windows. So go ahead and head over into that Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Click on that settings button and that will take you to your settings. Head over to the update and security section and ensure your system is up to date by checking for updates in the Windows update settings. So you'll find that into this section. So make sure that your Windows is up to date. Another thing that you can do is to repair or reset the app. On your settings, go ahead and head over into the app section. Now on the app list, you'll need to go ahead and search for Snipping Tool. So you can use the search bar to look for the Snipping Tool application. Click on that and select advanced option from there. You can repair or reset the app. You can also reinstall the Snipping Tool, so you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. Another thing that you need to make sure is to adjust background app permission. Make sure the Snipping Tool is allowed to run in the background. The last option that you need to check is to check date and time settings. Some users have reported that manually setting the date to an earlier time temporarily resolves the issue. Afterward, you can revert to automatic date and time settings. That's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.